Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the Hitani. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sikolo saka Jesu.
Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. Why do you look so serious and sad all the time, Dlamini? Are you going through something?
I'm not going through anything. Right. Right. I'm just happy to see you.
Yeah. I hear you. You've been... Okay, Dlamzi, I appreciate it. Hi, guys. How are you? I'm good. We're actually waiting for you here. Yeah. So I go around asking couples questions, right? Just a couples quiz. Would you be willing? Couple, is this your brother, girl? We saw you holding the man. Is it your brother? Exactly. Come closer. Come dizzy. Sir, on my left, please. Okay, name?
Malenda.
Malela. Malenda. Is that a nickname? Slender Malenda? Slender Malenda? Oh, that's so cute. Okay, and? Ntokozo, how long have you been with Malenda?
It's been 3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
Still going strong?
Yeah.
Okay, Malenda, where did you meet him?
In Ekas.
Really? Do you remember what the first thing he said to you was? Oh, really? And then when I was in? Oh, wow. Ntokozo, no pick-up line, nyana. Just uyangichaza. You didn't have to work hard.
Ngibonile ukuthi vele ngamushayile ngamstay. Mangina kuyo vile ngoma vele.
Okay, same day.
Iviki nje, yeah.
Oh, so each talking stage journey was a week.
Yeah.
Okay. A week pa. Busacing. Malanda, that was a very short time, eh?
Yeah.
Ngimthobe kuvele ngiyazaza nithi.
Okay, fine. What is it that you like about her?
Unobuntu. Yeah. Uyabathanda abantu, uyakwazi ukubekezela.
Ubekezela ntoni, Malanda? Ubekezela ntoni?
Ngiyabekezela nje like yabo makangithembise into maybe kuthole ukuthi akayenzi like same time like.
Yeah,
ngiyabekezela.
But awubekezeli other things like cheating. Akakujoleli?
Angijoleli. Just sithu.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, Malenda, what is it that you like about Ntokozo?
Like uyangicabangela. Uyangithanda. And uhlezi khona.
Uhlezi khona. So he makes time for you.
Yeah.
Okay, do you trust him though?
Yeah, I can tell.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
9.
9, sis. You type in total 9 out of 10.
Hey, indoda yami mos.
Yo! Ntokozo,
Ego.
on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you trust Malenda?
9.
Guys! 9 Ntokozo.
Yeah.
Unasure ngalento ithethayo?
Yeah, I'm sure.
U1 ke ngoku yena you leaving it for disappointment. And nalapho it's only 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put that trust to the test. And what we do on this show is that we basically make couples switch phones, okay?
On my phone.
Yeah, you switch phones and you go through each other's WhatsApp for like...
Une WhatsApp yakhe masone yami.
But you guys are gonna check each other's WhatsApps for like 60 seconds. In 60 seconds, guys.
Yeah. It's fine.
It's fine, Ntokozo.
Yeah.
Well, calling like is
I don't know.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I will search.
Okay, fine. Phones, guys. Okay, just give me your passcode, ne? Okay, we'll start with his. Ipe yakho, Maland?
Isesikhwameni.
Oh, okay. It's fine. Let's leave it as comment as long as it's not with her. Okay. Fully phony. Are you hiding something? Ntokozo. Thank you. Right. Malenda, go to his WhatsApp. Okay. Search love you.
Kuvela mina.
I can see that. Okay, delete. Type Tanda.
Ubani le bheki?
Ngidala ngifuna naye.
Bofunda naye?
Go into the chat. Scroll.
Hayibo ngifunda naye kanjani? Ngisendelana ama message.
Sibona izinto apha.
Iziphi?
Flirting.
Izinto. Kuyabonakala la ukuthi najola phela la.
Into engekho leyo.
Into engekho kanjani ngiyibona?
Awu ngiyasho ukuthi umngane wami.
Bengihlanyela wena.
Hey, awuncane.
Umngane wakho lo.
Go into media.
Singene ku Facebook.
Okay, go to the pictures just to see what they're sending each other first. You can go to Facebook if you want to, but just wait.
Ngazi basendelana ini?
Intoni lena niyenzayo nina apha?
Wena ngoba nathi nezithombe lana yasendelana la.
Asicinile kudala nalo muntu wona ngisiyasho ukuthi ngifuna naye.
Do you want to call Ulebo?
Yeah, cela sifonele uLebo.
Dlamzizi.
Ngijwayela la.
Namhlanje senenkinga lona. Ngisengitshelile ukuthi ufuna naye.
Ufunda naye kanjani umsendela ama message? Why umele umsendela ama message?
Saskati.
Kwakunini uqeda isikolo? Nikhuluma ngani? Nikhuluma ngesikolo.
Sibona izinto wena
Sisifonele simuzi. Awukola ngithi.
Yeah, samfonela ngijwayela kabi.
Hi, can I speak to Ulebo? Hello?
Hello.
Hi, am I speaking to Lebo?
Yes, you're speaking to Lebo. Who am I speaking with?
Ukhuluma noMalenda sisi. And ngisho ukuthi uyangazi ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi nalapha efonini nje nikhuluma ngami wena noNtokozo.
Malenda. Malenda ubani?
Umuntu kaNtokozo uMalenda.
Yo, manje wena isibindi sokungifonela usithathaphi?
Ungazongijwayela kabi wena ngoba ngikubona efonini yomuntu wami khona manje ngicela uzongitshela ukuthi isibindi.
Ngicela uNtokozo ifoni. Ake ngi-explainele ukuthi uMalenda wani. Kahle kwenzakalani lapho nje?
Thatha, kufuna ukukhuluma nawe isifebe sakho.
Hello.
Baby.
Uzuthi baby. Ngitshela ukuthi ngicela sihlangane, ngitshela ukuthi ngicela sihlangane.
Ash, ukuphi?
Yeah, ngitshela ukuthi ngicela sihlangane.
Uyazi ukuthi ngiyasebenza mos. Mobani kahle lo ukukhulumisa naye ongithuka kanje.
Umuntu wami Malenda.
Yeah, ngitshela ukuthi umuntu wakho. Ngizomthola kahle.
Yeah, uyazi. Yeah? Uyazi ngomuntu ngisi. Uyazi. Uqamba mama mina lava isifunda musifunda solo.
Ungazi ungihlanyisa.
Wena ukuhlanyisa mina wena sikhebereshe wena ngizokuthola wena. Ngitshela ukuthi ngizombamba lo. Ngitshela ukuthi ngizombamba.
Yabona ngisixabanisa nomuntu wami manje.
Ngizombamba, ngijwayela kahle.
Uyangiqabanisa. Yabona ukuthi kwenzakalani manje?
Ntokozo noma ubuya la uze kimi uzongi-explainela kahle because awungitshela
Ngiza naye, makeza lapho ngiza naye. Ngifuna ukukukhahlela.
ungazi la wena. Ungazongihlanyisa wena. Awutshelele
Wena ukuhlanyisa mina wena. Wena ukuhlanyisa mina.
Sizoza mochayisi. Sizoza lapho mochayisi.
Iza wena baby.
ungazongidina.
Ane.
Ngikufuna la sokhuluma ukuthi kwenzakala.
Tshela ukuthi uza nawe.
Ngizoza nomuntu wami.
Ungazi naye la
Shutha uzi-ke, shutha uzi-ke.
Bona uzolelo hlanya lakho nje lizongishaya la. Ngifune umuntu
Ihlanya ugogo wakho wena, ihlanya ugogo wakho ungazongibiza ngehlanya wena.
Sizoza sithu mina nomuntu wami ne. Khathele kulo nomuntu wami ngenxa yakho.
Hey.
Cela ugogo my sister.
So,
ngicela lamanamba lawo ngicela ngingacela efonini yami.
okay. So uyahlala nomuntu wakho ufuna uLebo wena.
Sihamba nomuntu wami manje sinofuna ukuyoshaya uLebo.
So
Uyangihlanyela sister no. Angazi nani niphuma kuphi wena boLebo.
asikunceda.
Ngincedile kodwa niyabona ukuthi manje sekwenzakalani. Lesifebe lesendoda lesi.
Sabuya kwifoni ke but uyahlala nesifebe.
Ngizothini?
What do you mean? Now you twice you're young, you're pretty.
Akafeba ngithi ngathi angafebi.
Okay.
Ngazi nje sijola like si right.
But now that you've seen proof ufuna uhlala. Ay, sabe phone.
Sizolanduleka, ngifuna silanduleke.
Okay, my scat, we can never want to tell you what to do in your relationship, ne? So if you want to stay with your man, it's fine. You can stay with your man. Passcode, password. Thank you. Go to her WhatsApp, ne? Okay, type love you.
Ubani mini wami la? Vela mina. Kyo favorite.
Scott?
Vela mina kuphela.
Okay, delete.
Yes.
Type Tanda.
Veli muntu.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Miss you. Ubani uThephi?
Isn't Tsipi a girl's name?
Nosono.
Tsiba? Son? Sono.
Sono.
Abangani bami.
But these are girl names, most of my Scott.
Abosono will miss you more sweet as.
Go into the chat. That's a girl's profile picture. You're trying to find something just because when you were caught.
Ka ngithi lezi zinto azenza ngiyazenza lo.
Go out. Type babe.
Yeah, vela mina.
Okay, delete that. Type thank you. It was doing your women favors.
Ntami.
Okay. What did you sing?
Nta.
That's also a girl. Yes. Delete that. Type ngaphandle.
Nothing.
Okay. Type outside.
Ngeke ngithole next lapho noma ningatype in my sister ngeke ngithole next.
Awucheat, my girl.
Angishidi lesifebe lesendoda.
Delete. Type pregnant. Oh, nothing. Delete. Type last night.
Nothing.
Okay. Type ageko.
Mix.
Okay. Delete type woza.
Mazulu. That's a girl.
That's a girl. Hi, Sana. Girl, take your phone. You clean.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you guys gonna do? You guys are gonna stay with each other and go fetch Ulebo?
Silanduleke.
Okay, that's fine. To do that. I'm sorry that I nearly ruined your day, ne? But at least your relationship is still intact. Okay, you can go get my scuts. Okay. Bye. Bye. Thumbs. This is what I always say. We can never tell couples what to do after they find out that the other's cheating. Now the niggas were on my ass about, oh, Lisa, why are you encouraging her to stay on the last episode? I didn't encourage anyone to stay. I said she can do whatever she wants. Remember that other episode?
Yiplace ashuthi laphansi kwehlahla.
Was it under the tree?
The one where
That
you
beautiful girl who was quiet.
Man.
That quiet, beautiful girl.
The one was
Not her. She was wearing a headband.
Yeah,
Remember that beautiful couple? The guy was good looking and the girl was good looking. when I asked for money for Botox. You don't remember?
When you ask for money.
Remember when we were done with a couple and then we told them to go and then they came back?
Oh,
Yes, people are on my ass about that episode. I'm just like, but why must I tell her what to do? It's her choice if she wants to go back to the nigga. Yeah, no, Lisa, you're rude, you're rude to the girl. But I'm saying she can do whatever she wants. We can't tell her what to do.
Yeah.
So, yes.
It's a choice.
And then you corrected me, but I was wrong to tell her to do what she wants. I must encourage her to leave. Why must I encourage her to leave her man? No, but it's her choice. It's not my choice. I revealed the truth. It's her choice, like what she wants to do after.
Fana nendoda eshaya umfazi. Yabo? Angeke sithi ngoba indoda ishaya umfazi bese sithi aya sizingeni.
That's not the same thing, Dlamini.
Uzozibona ukuthi wenze njani. I understand. So thina sithi sisimiyeke ngoba uyakushaya. Yabo?
But the guy was not hitting her, he was cheating.
Ngenza isibonelo. Example.
What's the point of your example?
My point of my example is that it's the same thing wena owayenza lapha.
I didn't say she must stay. I said she can do whatever she wants to do. Just like I said with this couple.
That is saying, buyela lapha uyokuncenga.
No, it's not.
It is.
Don't lie.
It is.
I said she can do it's her choice. She can do whatever she wants to do.
You're not giving her a choice though. You were telling her to go back.
No, I didn't.
You were?
No, I didn't. Why are you lying?
No, I'm not lying.
Why are you lying?
I'm not a liar.
Why are you lying? And also, she was smiling throughout the whole thing. I'm just like, why are you smiling and you just got cheated
That's why
on?
you encourage her to go back because you saw the smile. But I
didn't encourage her. I said, why are you smiling and you just got cheated on?
Okay,
and why was she smiling?
The topic
But why was she smiling?
I don't know.
Why aren't you upset? You just got cheated on.
Shuthi abantu abafani.
Yeah.
Omunye instead of crying crazy wahlanye udala ungijwayela kahle.
That is crazy to me. That is crazy to me. But anyway, Lams, should we close?
What's your take on umlungu lo wenza ngama 10,000? Lo dlingane encane lo. Awayibona lo Shandisi?
I did, but I ignored it. Why are you saying we are bad? Didn't he recruit them for porn?
Akukona ukubadla lokho.
Did he sleep with them? Really? But then why did he expose them?
That's been
So he took a video.
Yeah. Each and every one of them.
And then he posted them.
10,000. Yozidliwe ingane mfethu. Abantwana bahle kanjani?
Why would he post it though?
Abantwana abancane.
But why would he post it? What was the purpose of posting it?
I don't know. African. That's in African casting. Yeah,
was it for porn?
Bona, they didn't know it was for porn.
Or they thought it was a hookup, like they sleeping with someone.
Because it's mabefika lapha batshela ukuthi it's a modeling. It's modeling. Mayifika lapha na ekuhlalisa phansi. Ngaleso sikhathi uyazivala ubuso yena. Yabo? Uzivala ubuso, hlala phansi nentombazane uyakhuluma nayo ukuthi ngifuna ungenzele 1 no 2 no 3. But for me ukuthi ngikwenzele something back. Ngifuna ukulala nawe. Yeah, uyakutshela nje straight ngifuna ukulala nawe. Let's have sex. Now. Then I'll give you this much.
Are the girls aware that the camera's there?
They are aware because they even look at the camera. They know it's there.
Where was it trending?
It's still trending even now.
On Twitter or what?
I'm now Twitter, so I guess it's on Twitter.
TikTok?
On Facebook.
Really?
Oh,
yeah, I don't want to see it. I don't want to be traumatized. Can we close? That isn't just funny.
Okay.
We can close.
Let's go and look for other couple.
Yes. Did this really happen, what you're saying?
I'm not joking. Pinda, did it happen? I'm not joking. I cannot joke with something like that.
It's time for me to get off social media. And then I go social media. Nah. You know, I was off social media the whole of 2024 and I was so happy. Yeah, I need to go back to that, Lumps. Okay, should we close, darling?
Let's close and go home.
You're going to look for other couples that go home.
Ngiyakthanda mawukhuluma kanje. Kusho ukuthi unomdla.
Anamdla too, but I'm not choice.
Yabona indaba yongayenzi lento lisi. Yabona Lili yabona ungayenzi lento bona yabona lento la
I know. No, but this is hormonal.
I-hormonal yini ungafuni ukuyikhohlisa ukhuluma ngo-hormonal.
This is hormonal. I have hormonal pimples at that time of the month.
Lawa ama-pimple ungayishayi layini lawo. Okay, ugcine nini?
All right, CMTV viewers, that is an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame. Thank you. Loves.
Instagram welcome _ Zamini 88, TikTok welcome Zamini, Facebook welcome Zamini.
Bye, guys. Pinda, close the damn show.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi esingakanani njena nokhaya?
Yes.
Uma phezulu ngadlala.